Hello and welcome to Bhavitavya. Dearness allowance increased by 4% for central government employees and pensioners. The 4% DA hike in 2026 has brought renewed attention to how Dearness allowance functions as a financial cushion for central government employees and pensioners. Announced aimed persistent inflammatory pressure, the increase pushes up monthly earnings for serving staff and enhances dearness relief for retired persons. For families depending on government pay structure, such revisions are not merely technical adjustment, they shapes budgeting decisions, serving capacity and financial confidence. Over the past few years, rising price of food items, healthcare services, housing, rentals and education have triggered household finances. While private sector salaries fluctuates with market forces, central government employees compensation follows a structured inflation linked formula. The latest version under the 7th Pay Commission framework once again reflects this design. As the new DA rate gets implemented, attention is shifted towards its real impact on take home income, tax liability arrears, and broader economic activities. At first glance, a 4% rise may appear incremental, but since dearness allowance is calculated on the basic pay, the financial difference becomes more sustained when translated into rupees terms. An employee drawing a basic salary of rupees 50,000 will see a monthly increase of rupees 2,000. For higher pay levels, the jump is even sharper in absolute value. Over 12 months, this adjustment builds into a meaningful addition to a annual income. For pensioners, the corresponding dearness relief offers similar protection. Many retired employees depend heavily on fixed pensions, and rising medical bills often eat into their monthly budgets. The synchronized increase ensures parity between serving and retired persons. A practical terms, it eases routine financial strain, whether that means paying utility bills comfortably or covering prescriptions expenses without dipping into savings. The Dearness allowance revision is rooted in the All India Consumer Price Index, that is AICPI. The government follows a formula driven mechanism that translates inflation data into percentage increases. When price level remains evaluated for consecutive months, accumulated index point crosses threshold that triggers D adjustment. The 2026 revision reflects sustained retail inflation across essential goods and services. Unlike discretionary bonuses, DA revision are not political gestures but structured responses to economic indicators. The transparency has long been cited as one of the strengths of the government pay system. The immediate benefit of the DA hike will be visible in salary slips. However, if the revision takes effect retrospectively, employees and pensioners may also receive arrears. Lump sum arrear payment often serves a short-term financial relief. Some households use the extra amount to clear credit card dues, repay personal loans, or fund school admissions. Others channel it into insurance premium or emergency funds. At the same time, the higher DA component increases taxable income. Financial planners advise employees to revisit their tax declaration, adjusting investment under Section 80C or exploring other deductions can help optimize liability. Without proactive planning, a portion of the increment may be absorbed by taxes. Therefore, revision is not just about earning more but managing it wisely.